So now we're on to round 3. Making sure I have it on the right side there. And this says chain 2, skip next DC, and work 1 DC, chain 2, 2 DC in next DC. So let's just chain 2. Now it wants us to skip this one, and then it says DC, chain 2, DC. So this is actually a V stitch. So you're going around once, skipping this stitch right here, going into the next, doing your DC, which is double crochet. I probably didn't tell you that, did I? And you go through 2, and then chain 2, and then DC in that same stitch. See how you made a little V there? Now we're going to skip that stitch and go into the top of that stitch. So again, a DC, and then chain 2, DC in the same one. So in this way, you're actually setting up for your peaks and valleys, but you're making V's all the way around it. So you'll be there and a V there, and then one skip stitch here. So you're going to go all the way around doing that. Down in the stitch, round, down in the stitch, up, chain 2, round, down in that same stitch. And if you make a mistake and go into the wrong one, or if you make a chain 2 where you're not supposed to, go ahead and take it out. Just pause me and go back to where you were okay, and then try again. So chain 2, and I'm skipping this stitch, going into the next stitch. In this way, we will have 12 little V's all the way around the circle. If you need these to be slower, if you need me to do them slower for you so you can actually see the movements I'm doing, let me know and I will I'll make another video with me going really slow. Okay, so go all the way around, and then when you're done, you're going to join it with a chain 2 and then into this stitch. I'm just going to keep working around so you can see it. I'm a little worried I'm going too fast for you to actually follow what I'm doing, but I think you can get it. Miss the thread there. So this is a little fussy to set up, but once you get it set up, you're really going to like it because you do the same thing over and over again. The first 5 rounds are a little bit fussy, but then after we get there, when I change to the red, it's just the same thing over and over and over and over again, and it makes that really cool pattern. Okay, so here is the ending. I've got 11 things and then this little hanger dude out. You're going to DC into the same as the hanger dude, the first chain 2 that you did. And then you're going to chain 2 and you're going to slip stitch or join it right here where it first joined into the other one, right there. So it actually looks like another V. And so we should have 12 V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay!